The Toyota Tacoma has long been the benchmark for mid-size pickup trucks, especially for drivers who value ruggedness, reliability, and off-road capability. And now, with the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, Toyota has doubled down on its off-road pedigree, offering an overland-ready truck straight from the factory. This isn't just a new trim, this is a serious statement. Let's start with the big picture. The 2026 Trailhunter is built with adventure in mind. Toyota collaborated with leading off-road and overlanding experts to develop this truck, and it shows in every detail. Instead of building a base Tacoma and letting owners modify it later, Toyota decided to offer a model that's trail-ready the moment you drive it off the lot. Whether you're planning to head deep into the backcountry or simply want the most capable version of the Tacoma, the Trailhunter delivers. Under the hood, the Trailhunter gets Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. It combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor for a total output of 326 horsepower and a stump-pulling 465 pound-feet of torque. That makes this the most powerful Tacoma ever. The power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission, and of course, four-wheel drive is standard. It's a setup that's not just about fuel efficiency, it provides immediate torque when crawling over rocks or pulling out of deep sand. And the hybrid system's battery is cleverly tucked under the rear seat, keeping it safe from trail damage while helping with weight distribution. Now, let's talk suspension. Toyota didn't just slap on a lift kit and call it a day. The Trailhunter gets an Old Man Emu suspension system, developed by ARB specifically for this truck. That means increased ground clearance, improved articulation, and a smoother ride on rough terrain. The rear gets a solid axle with coil springs. Yes, Toyota finally ditched the leaf springs, which gives it better control and comfort without sacrificing toughness. Skid plates underneath provide real protection for all the critical components, so you can tackle rocky trails without flinching. Visually, the Trailhunter stands out. You get exclusive bronze-colored exterior accents, a unique grille with an integrated LED light bar, and Trailhunter badging that leaves no question about what this truck is built for. Standard 33-inch Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires wrap around 18-inch wheels, giving the truck an aggressive stance and the traction needed for serious off-road work. You also get a steel rear bumper with recovery points, rock rails to protect the sides, and a high-clearance exhaust tip, all designed for getting off the beaten path and staying there. Up top, there's an optional integrated roof rack system that's perfect for mounting gear, a rooftop tent, or additional lighting. The bed is fitted with a 2,400-watt AC inverter, with outlets in both the bed and the cabin. That's enough power to run lights, tools, or even small appliances when you're off the grid. Toyota clearly understands that overlanding isn't just about driving, it's about living comfortably at the end of the trail. Step inside, and the Trailhunter blends rugged functionality with modern tech. The interior feels tough and ready for the elements, with rubberized floor mats and durable materials throughout. But it's not all utilitarian. A massive 14-inch touchscreen sits front and center, running Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster and a premium JBL sound system, with a portable Bluetooth speaker that docks in the dashboard. It's a great touch for nights around the campfire. Toyota also packed the Trailhunter with safety and driver assist features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera with underbody views, super helpful when navigating tight, technical trails. The truck's new trail mode works with the low-speed crawl control and locking rear differential to make rough terrain easier to conquer. And with up to 6,500 pounds of towing capacity and a payload rating of over 1,600 pounds, it's not just about off-roading. You can bring your camper, trailer, or gear without compromise. Perhaps what's most impressive about the Trailhunter is the balance it strikes. It's rugged enough to take on Baja trails or remote mountain passes, but it's also refined enough for everyday driving. The hybrid powertrain means it's efficient when commuting, and the cabin tech makes long road trips more enjoyable. It's that rare truck that's just as capable deep in the woods as it is on the freeway. So, who is the 2026 Tacoma Trailhunter for? It's for the weekend warrior, the overland enthusiast, the person who doesn't want to spend months modifying a truck before heading out on a cross-country adventure. Toyota did the work for you, built it, tested it, and backed it with a warranty. No guesswork, no compromises. Just fuel up, load your gear, and go. In a market where trucks often prioritize style over substance, the Tacoma Trailhunter is refreshingly authentic. It's not just an off-road look, it's the real deal. Toyota took their legendary durability and infused it with cutting-edge tech, smart design, and genuine capability. If you're looking for the most complete, factory-built adventure truck out there in 2026, the Trailhunter might just be the one you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next ride. Please like, share, and subscribe to Auto Future Insights.